Okay, today's date is 9/6/2019. I am at 1419 Palace Avenue, St. Paul, Minnesota. This is Clean Drains by Bob and Son, mainline inspection. Okay, footage counter's in the upper right-hand corner. A little tough getting it in there. So we're in probably cast iron right now. And there's probably another clean out towards the front of the house. That's what this is right here. And now it's gonna transition into clay tile at about 15 feet here. And now we got a separation here, a little bit of an offset. More of a separation here. As you can see, as I get closer, you can see how it's separated. And again, and you can see how the clay tile is kind of deteriorating there to the right. Clay tile only has a shelf life of 70 years. You can see how the roots are starting to grow in there to the left. More roots to the right and left. You can see how it's deteriorating on the top right there. Top, the upper left right there, and there's roots growing in to the right. More roots. And you have a little bit of an offset and separation here. And you can see how the roots are growing in. More of an offset and separation again. And you get to see, this is a good example of the deterioration going on, how it's chipping away on the edges there and causing more of a separation. And again, more roots here, 40 feet. More roots. You see how it's growing through to the left there. And more roots to the left. Separation here. Starting to catch that toilet paper right in here. And more roots to the right. And more separation going on. And you can see that deterioration going on to the left right there. It's chipping away. And more roots there to the left. And a huge offset. Looks like the city has looks like the city's dropped. That's what it looks like. So whoever buys the house is going to need to show this to the city. It looks like the city connection has dropped. Could be wrong, but it looks pretty bad right here. Yeah. It's getting worse and worse. Right here. So, I'm going to try to turn on some water here. Maybe I can skip up there. So I pulled it back so you could see how it's kind of leaching out. And maybe 25% of the water, I would say 15% of the water is actually making it to the sewer. And this is just going to get worse and worse and worse. Okay, so let's see if I can make it over this here. So no dice. I cannot make it past that 66-foot mark. It just is what it is. So yeah, this ain't the. I thought that was a city connection, and apparently it's not. So yeah, this is pretty significant. So I would have this fixed immediately.